Hey guys, it's Richard at Altfins with another update. Today I'm going to first review my last trade in EOS. Secondly, I will review a few interesting situations, coins that are breaking out or in an uptrend. But very briefly, before I place yet another trade. And so let's get started. So first of all, the markets continue to be choppy. Overall, I'd say we are still in a difficult environment where we're basically still in a sort of a sideways choppy trading, as illustrated by Ethereum, and so it's not easy to be trading breakouts. Breakouts have not played out well typically, but there are some exceptions. And so interestingly, there are still coins that are trading in an uptrend, and that's key to remember that if we're going to trade, we want to, and if we're going to be buying, we want to be trading with the trend. So I always, or I prefer to look at coins that are in an uptrend on the medium-term basis, which is what I just did. I selected all the coins that are in an uptrend on the medium-term basis. There's 325, so out of 3,000 that we track. But I'll narrow that down a bit more by saying I, first of all, just want regular coins, no leverage coins or stable coins. But also I want something that has a minimal of 5 million market cap. Oop. Last price, oh, I'm sorry, not price, but market cap is about 5 million. So now we're down to 85. So let's look at these. XRP, Cosmos, Chili's, Quant, Pancake Swap, Ravencoin, Compound, Osmosis. So there's, these are coins that are still trading in an uptrend, as you can see in the trend summary sheet here. And so these could be good candidates to get involved. The question is, where do we get involved? Either on the pullback or in the breakout. So if we take the first one here, which is Ripple, it's had a massive breakout here just in the last couple of trading sessions. It's if we look at the Curated Charts, the coin was trading in the sideways channel as illustrated here, and it's broken above that 40-cent level and out of that sideways channel, and quickly reached the next resistance area of 50 cents. Now this is a stiff resistance area because it also coincides with the 200-day moving average, and with this major gap up here from 40 cents to 50 cents, this coin is getting a bit overbought. So this is yet another breakout. Typically I'd say this is a breakout above 50 cents resistance area and above the 200-day moving average. But breakouts in this, generally speaking, down market have not been particularly successful, and so I'd be cautious here maybe and wait for a pullback. The news, you can look at the news tab under for Ripple, but the news essentially is that there could be some settlement with the US SEC, Security Exchange Commission, which has been investigating Ripple and its management. And so there's some, I guess, traders that are betting that this will be a good piece of news and are trading ahead of that news announcement. But let's go ahead and review my last trade, which was in EOS. It did not go well. It went bust, but that's part of the trader's life. So here we got involved at around this level here, $1.60, and I did not sell on this spike. I should have, but instead I've held on because I thought it was going to go all the way to $2, but it didn't. And I did in the last update say that I'll give up on the trade if it goes below this sort of low, about $1.36 on both times. $1.36 was the low, and when it did, I got stopped out. I had a stop loss order, so I got stopped out at around $1.35. So I'm out of that trade, lost some money, but moving on to the next. And so what's next? As I said, breakouts haven't been particularly successful in this down market overall. Sellers tend to pound on any breakouts, but what has been working is still sort of looking at coins that are in an uptrend and have pulled back. So when we go to our dashboard,